About myself, I am Priyanka Chatterjee, UGC NET qualified with 99.46 percentile. I am an Unacademy educator also. You can follow me there in Unacademy also. So I have 5 years industry experience and I have done my MCA and BSc honors in computer science. And our strategy is less is more. In that way we are trying to now try to solve this question. This is a very good question. Try to apply your knowledge of foreign key, relationship, reference, and try to solve this. And after that, so everyone, what will be the answer? Here it is asking following table has two attribute, that is employee ID and manager ID, right? Where employee ID is the primary key, means this is our primary key, this is primary key, and manager ID is the foreign key. Manager ID, it is given, it is foreign key, right? Now referencing employee ID, this foreign key is referencing self, means it is self referencing. Manager ID is self referencing, means manager ID is referencing the employee ID, right? Means how the relation, means employee, एक employee का ID अगर 40 है, वो जिसका भी मैनेजर है उसका भी ID, मैनेजर का ID भी 40 है, right? दिस इज द रेफरेंस, मीन्स सेल्फ रेफरेंस हो रहा है यहाँ पे, मैनेजर आईडी रेफरेंस कर रहे हैं एम्प्लॉय आईडी को. नाउ इट इज आस्किंग दैट विथ ऑन डिलीट कास्केड. व्हाट इज ऑन डिलीट कास्केड? ऑन डिलीट कास्केड मीन्स इफ देयर इज एनी रेफरेंस, then if any one is deleted means the actual primary key is deleted, means whatever the references we are using that also be deleted. क्यों? बिकॉज आप जिसको रेफरेंस कर रहे हैं वही नहीं है. अगर मेरा मैनेजर, मैं ऐसा सोच रही हूँ आई एम द एम्प्लॉय ए एंड मेरे मैनेजर जो है वो है बी, ठीक है, और उसका डेटा था इधर बी, तो मैं बी टेबल को, बी जो डेटा था मतलब बी जो मैनेजर है मेरा, माई मैनेजर इज बी एंड माई मैनेजर इज नॉट देयर इन कंपनी, he already left from company, he already resigned from company, so he is not there. So if the B is not there, if the employee is not there, then how he will be my manager, how the data will be there ki B is the manager of A. So definitely we have to delete that data also, right? That is the concept कि आप जिसको reference कर रहे हैं वो अगर exist ही नहीं कर रहे तो उसको भी delete करना है, right? So from that concept you have to understand that it is asking that on delete table 20, 40, we are deleting 20 and 40. From this table we are deleting 20 and 40, this data, the set of tuple that must be deleted to maintain the referential integrity. तो रेफरेंशियल इंटीग्रिटी करने के लिए आपको कौन सा डिलीट करना है? यहाँ पे देख लो, हेयर एम्प्लॉय आईडी इज 20 इज डिलीटेड, राइट? सो नाउ यू हैव टू सर्च कि वेयर इज 20, वेयर द 20 इज यूजिंग इन मैनेजर आईडी, राइट? 20 जिसका मैनेजर है फॉर द एम्प्लॉय आईडी, द एम्प्लॉय 20 नंबर एम्प्लॉय हु वेयर ही इज द मैनेजर, that should be deleted, means you can see here there is 20, the manager ID is here 20, so as this is deleted means this should be also deleted, right? Because 20 is not there, we have deleted this data, 20 is not there means this 20 will be not there. Now if you delete this table then you can see the 35 is also deleted, means again you have to search where is 35. If 35 is anywhere, that 35 is manager, that also be deleted. So you can see 35 is here, right? So 35 also delete, we have to delete this 35. Now as we delete this, so 30 is also deleted. Now 30 is also deleted. Now check if anywhere 30 is anywhere in this table, manager ID मतलब 30 जिसका employee ID था, that employee is manager of anyone? No, you can see here no 30, no 30, no 30, right? So how much table we are deleting? This one 30, 35 we are deleted, we have deleted, and 35, 20, that also we have deleted, right? So this is the answer is 30, 35 and 35, 20. Clear? Is it clear? But no 30, Where no 30? Yes, no 30 is there, that's why no delete. No 30 is where, that's why we can stop now. We will search the 30, but 30 is not there, that's why we will stop now, because it is not anywhere reference. Because here no reference is there, that's why we will stop now. Means the cascade, that is the cascade, on delete cascade, cascade will stop here, right? That's why this is the answer. Clear? Just easily try to understand the concept easily कि employee, मेरा जो employee था, this employee is manager of someone. This employee is manager of someone, and I am the employee is releasing from the company. Employee is not there now. So if the employee is not there, if I am taking Ram was the employee, Ram is not there, then how Ram will be manager of someone, right? So then we have to delete that data again for this. If this employee is deleted, means this employee, if anyone manager, that also be deleted, right? Okay, now come to this question. This is a question of GATE previous year's question. I did not know the actual day yet. This question is sent by Prachi. Prachi sent me this question. So Prachi, you were there, and everyone try to solve this question, try to understand the question, try to apply the concept from the previous question. That's why I have considered the previous question. After this question, try to apply the knowledge of the previous question here. So try to understand that the consider, here it is telling consider a relation GEQ, means it is a name. Just सोचो एक name है relation का, GEQ means greater or equal to, where it is coming कि it is given that greater than or equal to, right? It is giving that greater than and equal to is the relation. Then XY belongs to GEQ, मतलब ये क्या बोल रहा है कि आपका टेबल में डेटा in this table the data will be like that कि if you are telling the data, if you are taking any data x and y, then you have to maintain the relationship. That relationship will be y greater or equals to x, that you have to maintain. That is the actual thing कि when you are entering the data, that data should be there, मतलब data का relation ऐसा होगा. So how will be the relation? Means y greater or equals to x, so it can be 1 2 it can be, but you cannot take 2 1 you cannot take, because here it should be y greater or equals to x, right? Now next one is 2 2. This type of data can be there because it is telling कि y equals to x. Got it? मतलब आपका टेबल में डेटा ऐसे है कि जहाँ पे x y से छोटा है और इक्वल्स है, राइट? x y से छोटा है और इक्वल्स है, ठीक है? तो कैसे है डेटा? सो वी कैन एज्यूम द डेटा. नाउ फर्स्ट वी हैव टू एज्यूम द डेटा. व्हाट विल बी द डेटा? Try to insert some data, and here it is telling LB. LB means lower bound and UB means upper bound, right? So lower bound means we can take, this is like x, and upper bound means it is the y. We can take like that. So I am writing the table here. What will be the table? I am writing the table here, that is lower bound and upper bound, lower bound and upper bound, right? Now in the lower bound and upper bound, how the data can be, I am inserting some data like 5 6 can be there, 5 6 can be there, and 4 5 it can be there, right? And 3 4 this is can be there, and 6 6 this can be there. This type of data can be there everywhere. You can see lower bound is less than upper bound, or here 6 and 6 means it is equals to. So this type of data can be there. Now it is given that कि which of the following is possible if tuple xy is deleted. Means any tuple, you can take any tuple. I am deleting this 5 6. I am deleting this 5 6. Then what will be the result? It is asking if you delete the 5 6, then what will be the result? And you can see that in the answer it is telling the different data, means ZW, 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 means it is not taking the same data, right? It is very clear. Here it is taking XY, means whatever XY, and it is taking ZW, means it is total different set. There is no common between, there is no intersection, there is no common data. It is XY, it is ZW. So we have to think like that, right? Now think, if you delete this data, and one thing you can see, the foreign key of upper bound reference GEQ on delete cascade. Try to understand this, what it is actually telling. The foreign key UB is the foreign key here, and it is referencing GEQ. What is GEQ? GEQ is the table name itself, right? GEQ, that is the table name itself. तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है? If anyone is referencing self, means the upper bound, that is the attribute, this attribute it's referencing same table. सेम टेबल को रेफरेंस कर रहा है, मतलब क्या है? इसका प्राइमरी की को रेफरेंस कर रहे हैं, राइट? इट इज रेफरेंसिंग द प्राइमरी की. तो व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी की ऑफ GEQ? द प्राइमरी की ऑफ GEQ इज LB. इट इज गिवन देयर, राइट? मीन्स same way, means upper bound that is referencing this lower bound. Same according to the last question, same way. Just थोड़ा यहाँ पे थोड़ा घुमा के बता दिए, बिकॉज दिस इज गेट क्वेश्चन. तो यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली आपको नहीं बताया कि दिस इज प्राइमरी की एंड दिस इज द फॉरेन की. जस्ट आपको थोड़ा चेंज करके बता दिए, राइट? सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट रेफरेंसिंग एनी टेबल, if it is mentioning that reference any table, means it will reference the primary key of that table, right? Here it is referencing GEQ, means it is referencing the primary key lower bound, right? Now it will be very easy to you. So if you delete 5 6, so 5 is deleted, so here the foreign key, means you have to delete this one also, right? Because 5 is here, so you have to delete this one. Now as you delete this one, so 4 is here, 4 is also deleted, means here you can see 4 is here, right? 4 is here, means it will be also deleted, right? Clear? It will be also deleted. Now what is the relationship? Now if you take, this is x and this is y, right? 5 is x and 6 is y. So here you can see कि this is x, 5 is x, 5, this is x, and you can take कि 4 is maybe 4 I am taking z, ZW, I am taking this W, I am taking XY was 5 6, right? So WX will be 5 4, right? Now what will be ZW? This is Z and this is W, means ZW will be 3 and 4, right? This way it is coming, because 5 5 4 4, right? Yes. So here when ZW is deleted, if you delete this XY and then also according to that ZW is also deleted, so what is the relation? What will be the exact relation? Here is x and it is given ki always x will be, means lower bound will be less than the upper bound, right? Lower bound will be less or equals to upper bound, right? So every time यहाँ पे जहाँ पे x है, it is the x, means w will be less than x. Problem in power, unable to connect. Okay, no problem. Please check the recording, right? तो यहाँ पे देख लो easily कि relation क्या हो रहा है. X is less or equals to Y. That is the relation, right? And for W, what is the relation with W? Here you can easily see कि X is coming here, so W is less or equals to X. W is less or equals to X, right? Directly we can see. And here this W is coming here, means Z is less or equals to W. Z will be definitely less or equals to W. So W is less or equals to X and X is this. So definitely we can write कि W is less than X. इक्वल्स टू तो नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे इक्वल्स टू नहीं होगा, लेस देन होगा. तो W is less than X. It is coming or not? Clear? Not less or equals to नहीं, less, always less. Equals to नहीं, equals to होने से problem. Equals to तो नहीं हो रहा है. Equals to means same होगा. Equals to means it will be X X, Y Y. It is giving the difference. So equals to is not there, only less than. Equals to is not there, right? So definitely clearly you can see the answer. What is the answer? W is less than X, right? The ZW with W is less than X is also deleted. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Relation ऐसे ही आ रहा है यहाँ पे, X less than Y and W less than X and Z less than W. So from this you can write कि W less than X, right? Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay. So this is the answer. This is a very good question. Thank you Prachi for sending this doubt. So this type of doubt please send me. Then ma'am, when the value of Z here, value of Z, this is the Z, 3, Z equals to 3, value of Z, that is 3 is the Z. Manish, see 3 is the Z. What we are taking, again I am writing for clear, I am taking in a clear skin. So what was our data? The data was like that, lower bound and here was upper bound, and the data was 5 6 4 5 and 3 4. So what it is? It is X and it is Y and it is X. It is coming here X. So it is, I can take, this is W and this W is coming here, means this is also W and this is the Z, right? So for this one I am deleting. If I delete this, it will be also deleted, it will be also deleted. So what will be the relation? Relation we know, X less than Y and W less than X and Z less than W, right? So from here we can easily know कि यहाँ से क्या relation आ रहा है, आप easily कर सकते हो, right? W 3, W equals to 3 भी ले सकते हैं, right? W equals to 3 भी ले सकते हैं, right? कैसे? यहाँ पे तो कॉमन आ रहा है ना, ऐसा रिलेशन को देखो, यहाँ पे जो कॉमन आ रहा है इसको देखो. Try to relate with the question. Try to relate with the question. ZW and XY is different set. यहाँ पे देखो ZW and XY is different set. तो X के साथ X कॉमन हो रहा है, बाकी नेक्स्ट टेबल में ZW कॉमन नहीं होगा, ठीक है? उसको रिलेट करने के लिए ट्राई करो. And always the relation is telling, always you have to maintain this, y greater or equals to x. You have to maintain that also कि y greater or equals to x. In that way you have to take the value. You cannot take the greater value here. You have to take the greater value here. and there is the relation, it is related, right? Here it is 5 5, here it is 4 4, so it is related. ठीक है मनीष, क्लियर हुआ? ओके, गुड नाइट एवरीवन. Yes, good night everyone, bye bye. Thanks a lot for joining the session. Thanks a lot everyone. Good night. Meet you and share. Please share, subscribe. Share करो, subscribe करो and like करो, review